Hey YouTube, Wilm Racer here. Sorry about the mess and the crappy cell phone video. I don't feel like pulling out the real camera this evening, but we have all of the landing gear and gear doors working on the big P-40.
Gear up.
There is just the tiniest bit of binding on the tail wheel door that needs to be addressed, but it is not too bad. Let me see if we can't get another angle here.
Gear down.
That's the second time that's happened. Let's cycle it again. We gotta figure that out. But everything is down. And you'll notice the tail wheel is slaved. I think I need to adjust it. It doesn't look like it's centered, but the tail wheel is slaved to the rudder, and except when the gear is up.
Gear up.
And we also have, let me drop the gear one more time.
Gear down.
Also have the flaps.
Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps. Flaps up.
And the ailerons are working but not fully seated yet, so they don't work quite right. But that's what we got done this evening. It's a big step forward in the right direction. I think aside from some cleanup of the electronics, all that's really left to do in terms of the major build is just to get the motor actually installed and running. So at this point now I'm going to start cleaning up the fiberglass and getting everything ready for paint. Thanks.